Rosenberg here, gearing up to teach another workshop series for Nashville Acoustic Camps over Zoom. This one is going to be on the topic of solo dobro, unaccompanied, nobody there to help us. We're going to learn how to keep a melody going along with enough of the chords and rhythm and some open strings to keep the full sound of the dobro happening, to keep the rhythm moving forward, and to keep that song self-contained on the dobro from beginning to end. It's a great skill to have. Not too many people teach this or really know how to do it. I'm looking forward to it. It's one of my favorite topics. We're going to learn a bunch of arpeggios, rolls, scales and melodic phrases using some bass notes to help us out and suggest the chord changes. We're also going to learn some interesting ways to play minor chords and double stops for use in chord melody. And I think we will learn my tune here this morning, probably my most popular tune. It's actually not that hard once you know a few little tricks, and I think you'll all be able to do it. And I have a harmony worked up for that I'll show you as well, which I've never recorded. So you will hear it before I ever put it out on a CD or anywhere else. And we'll do a couple other songs as well. I'm thinking of maybe running something similar to Rob Ickes' version of How Great Thou Art, which is a fantastic solo rendition of that tune, just to show you the strategies that he's employing in that one. And I'll think of another tune or two to get to along the way. So it's going to be a great time. Check out the course description, and hope you'll think about signing up, and hope to see you there. All right, happy dobro picking.